In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quotes in Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add currency pairs and other instruments to your quotes, also known as the market watch list, so you can track prices quickly and efficiently. First, let's bring up the market watch window, which is where your current quotes live. If you don't see it on your screen, press Ctrl+M on your keyboard. You can also open it from the top menu by going to View and selecting Market Watch. Once it's visible, you'll notice familiar symbols like URUSD or GBPUSD, along with their bid and ask prices. Think of this panel as your live price dashboard. Next, you'll open the full symbols list so you can add the instruments you want. Inside Market Watch, right-click anywhere in the list and choose Symbols. This opens a window that organizes everything your broker offers into categories. You might see sections like Forex, metals, crypto, or indices. Expand a category to browse what's available. Now, choose what you want to add. Click a symbol to highlight it, then click Show. The moment you do, that symbol is added to your market watch list. For example, you could add EURUSD for the euro against the US dollar, GBPUSD for the pound against the dollar, USDJPY for the dollar against the yen, XAUUSD if you want to track gold, or BTCUSD for Bitcoin priced in dollars. Each time you click Show, the instrument appears immediately in your quotes panel, ready to monitor. If you'd prefer to load everything at once, there's a quick method. Right-click in the Market Watch window and choose Show All. Metatrader 5 will display every symbol your broker makes available. This is great when you want to explore or you're not sure of the exact symbol name. Just keep in mind that showing everything can clutter the list, so it's perfectly fine to hide what you don't need later. A quick but important note: you can only add symbols that your broker supports. If you search through the categories and a specific instrument isn't there, it usually means your broker doesn't offer it on your account type or it's not enabled. In that case, check with your broker's product list or support team to confirm availability. That's all there is to it. Open Market Watch, access the Symbols window, choose your categories, and click Show to add what you need, or use Show All to reveal everything at once. With your favorite symbols in place, you'll have a clean, focused quotes list that matches the way you trade. Thanks for watching, and happy trading in Metatrader 5.